because I have limited space in my office, I'm going up. And this was just a spare of the moment that I decided to film this, okay? I'm trying to use every bit of space I got. I get it. Okay, y'all, I bought a printer stand because I'm trying to increase space. Let me flip so you can see. I'm trying to use every bit of space I got because, yeah, I need the room. Okay, so I'm gonna put this together and hopefully it works out. Y'all can see me put it together and put it on my desk here. And this was just a spare of the moment that I decided to film this, okay? Look on here, it has 3 parts, but if you look here, it's only showing to put together 2 parts. So what is this for? It don't really tell you nothing. Oh, my bad. Okay, I see. Here is the back. That's where D is. Okay, I get it. Ooh, 'cause anybody got time for all that other stuff. They be trying to make this stuff hard. Get this stuff set up. So far I'm fine. They just gave me that damn Allen wrench. I was like, what the hell? They gave me 4 though. I don't understand what 4 is for, but 4 screws. I'm thinking maybe it's for reinforcement or. They don't give you number pictures. Okay, my husband playing his guitar here in the background. I'm gonna move this stuff over. I shouldn't have to move anything over the top of here. I just need to move the printer out the way. I got so much stuff, I don't use half the stuff. That's gonna change. That's why. Yeah. This is my refrigerator. I'm working on my refrigerator. Ooh. I don't use it enough. I really need to. You probably can't hear me because I ain't got the on. Yeah, I'll do it. I got these brown ones so I can use to put on top of my labels. I'm gonna put my logo on there and not use no ink. So there they go. Don't judge me. But yeah, still able to keep this open. Got a little room left over here. I want so much better. The cricket machine, I'm gonna put that up here. I'm gonna go downstairs to get that. Hopefully I can. Okay, y'all. So because I have limited space in my office, I'm going up instead of just having things seamlessly. I use my shelf that I had bought to take with me to events, but I already got a wooden one, so I really didn't need this one. I got it truthfully. My husband had it. I was like, oh, that's a good idea. But anyway, so I'm using that to put all my containers and stuff on. It's out the way. I got there. Everything is, I have a limited space in here, but I'm using what I got and I'm making it work. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I might just do a voiceover because I don't feel like I didn't close the door. And, you know, I'm gonna move this up though. This is my to-do list, which it needs to be updated because it hasn't been updated. But yeah, so that's what it looks like.